My name's Luis Nazario. I was an infantryman, started off infantry, straight out of boot camp. From there, I became a scout sniper, re-enlisted, became a primary marksmanship instructor for recruits at Camp Pendleton, and then received orders to the Fleet 31 Kilo Company, back in the infantry as a sergeant, squad leader. That was my first combat tour to Iraq. I mean, I'm nervous. I'm anxious for this to get over with so I could continue on with my life. Myself and a whole bunch of, everybody else out there, we gave our best out there for our country. And I think we deserve to come home and continue on with our lives. I think we deserve that, at the least. Just know that I fought honorably for this country. Fought real hard as well as everybody else, and I'm innocent, and I want the world to know that. Well, it was August 7th. I was working the graveyard shift, so that's 10 o'clock at night to 8 o'clock in the morning, and I was toward the end of the shift, so maybe around between 7 and 8, and I was called to the sergeant's office under false pretenses, saying that I had to sign a 6-month evaluation form. So I show up to sergeant's office, see the document on his desk. There's a bunch of other cubicles there. I didn't look into any of them. I didn't go out my way to look into any of them, but I thought it was just me and my sergeant in the room. As I lean forward to read the document, I feel a couple of sets of hands on me. Take my gun, take my badge, place me in cuffs, tell me that I'm charged with some war crimes, and they handed me over to NCIS, and they fired me right then and there. I knew there was allegations towards other members in my platoon with a different case in Haditha, but charges towards me. That this was the first that I found out I was being charged. Basically unemployable right now. Nobody wants to hire someone who's going through federal charges. It's been a year. It's the slowest year of my life, and it hopefully should all be over soon. A couple of weeks. And my son, he's too young to notice, but my wife, she's going through a hard time, just as hard as me, and she's gonna remember all the hard times we had to go through. Going to the pawn shop, selling stuff. Selling some of your stuff, because we didn't know where we're going to be getting any money from. I was able to collect, some unemployment, able to do that. A couple of buddies, they, helped me out. They had some friends fill up my trunk with groceries. I don't know, it's hard. You're not going to forget this. Not only is it hard, it's embarrassing.